Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna do a video with my mom.
Hey guys, welcome back. So today we have a very special guest. Do you want to tell everybody who you are?
I'm Mommy's daughter and my name is Alana.
Alana is here and she wants to show everybody her bag collection today. Leo, my son, is also here and I told him not to make any noise, but
he's just doing it.
So Alana's gonna tell us where she got all the bags that she has, what she likes to use them for, and what her favorites are, just whatever she wants to tell us. She's gonna tell us all about. So if you guys want to see Alana's bag collection, then please just keep on watching. But wait, you already want to say, if you're not already subscribed, explain yourself. I post on Wednesdays and on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I feel like you're gonna be here when I do. If you like luxury, you like handbags, you like fashion, you like 7-year-olds. I feel like this is definitely where you're going to be, so you should subscribe if you're not already, and you should follow me over on Instagram if you're not already. It's just Katie Danger. I post every single day over there. Every day is a real outfit of the day, something on stories. It's a lot. We post a lot over there, so you should follow me over there if you're not already. And with all that out of the way, let's jump into the video. Okay, Lana, which one do you want to start with?
You can start with anyone.
Oh, this one? Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Leo. So this is Alana's first bag. Go ahead, tell us about it.
This one's my favorite bag.
Where did you get this?
I got it from Sesame Place.
Okay, and can you show them the back? Very nice.
I like it because of the gems. It's so sparkly, and all the dessert, because I eat dessert and I love dessert.
And what does it say on the front?
Extra sweet.
Very nice. And who is this? Do you know?
Abby.
You just open it like you would, like a grandma purse. It's empty on the inside.
Nice and gorgeous, and it's also my favorite color. And if you haven't seen, there's like little circles there, like a pattern, my favorite. So we could move on for the next one.
Okay, here's bag number 2 in Alana's collection.
It's so adorable. Well, this one is a crossbody bag, and I like it.
What happens with these eyes?
These eyes could go down and up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And I like the sparkle of the hair. It's so shiny. The horn, I love it. It's sparkle golden. Now I will show you the inside. And I think I got this one from Target. So I'll say I got it from Target. This big thing is the batteries, but we don't have it and it won't work anymore. So we just leave it like that. But you could put other things. Your charger, your phone, your
Do you have a phone?
Yeah. The toy one.
Oh, okay.
From Build-A-Bear.
From Build-A-Bear, yes. You're right.
And I like this one.
So here is bag number 3 from Alana's collection. You want to tell us about this one?
Well, I got this one from nowhere. My mom bought it. She bought it for herself, then she gave it to me.
So I bought this one from Amazon, and I'll see if I can link it in the description box. But basically, I bought this one and another one from Amazon, and I ended up using the other one a lot more, so I gave this one to Alana. It says it's $10,000. You see that?
Yeah, $10,000. I love it, honestly. Look, it's so golden. I have a choker with these kind of gems, and I like it. It's so cute.
It is very cute. Here is Alana's next bag. Go ahead and tell us about this bag.
Bag number 4. I like this bag, and I got it from the zoo.
Oh, this is the one we got from the zoo, yeah. No, it was the zoo.
I got this one from the zoo, and it came with a stuffed animal. It's hard though, for a bunny.
So it's like a trunk?
Yeah, trunk. You could carry it around anywhere you want, and
my question is, what can you keep in here? Because there's like a lot of holes, so it's not like you can put everything in there, right?
You could put makeup. No. The stuffed animal that came with here, you could put your stuffed animal. Yeah. Some tools for it. If you're going on vacation, you should bring this, because
for your stuffed animal.
Yeah, for your stuffed animal, so for your little things. It could be your suitcase. Yeah.
That's a good one.
This one is bag number 5, and Oh.
Bag number 5.
Mommy bought this one for herself.
Also from Amazon.
Yeah, also from Amazon.
Amazon?
Amazon. Amazon.
It's Amazon.
Amazon.
No. Amazon.
Yep, she got it from Amazon. It's white cloud, and I like the white cloud. Inside of it, it's stanky.
It is?
Stinky.
Wait, it is?
Yeah, so stinky.
Oh, it smells like plastic or something.
Yeah.
Or like glue. Yeah, that's not a good smell. You should not be smelling that.
Bag number 6. Leo, hand us the bag.
Bag number 6.
Next is this bag. I got this one for my birthday, and I love it. What do I use it for? For supplies. Yeah, I love playing teachers. My cousin gave this one to me for my birthday, and I was like so surprised. I love
It's
this.
true. You have to see the picture. I'll post it right here because she was so happy.
I was literally so happy. So this will totally be my first one.
This is your number 1 favorite one?
Yes.
Okay.
And then
I thought you said that Abby was your favorite.
I have all the bags are truly my favorite. Bag number 7.
Here's bag number 7.
It's soft. So soft.
It's like velvet, I guess.
It's like a heart.
Where did you get this one from? It's giving Powerpuff Girls. Like, tell me now. Well, you don't really watch Powerpuff Girls. Do you remember where you got this one?
No, I forgot, but
It's very cute.
yeah, very cute.
This reminds me of the Louis Vuitton heart bag that came out with the Game On collection.
Yeah.
Not. It does.
Mommy,
From Cat and Jack.
Cat and Jack. Cat and Jack.
That's what it says right here. Cat and Jack. It's a brand. They make clothes and stuff.
It came from Cat and Jack.
And what do you like to wear this one with?
So one time I went to my friend's party from kindergarten, and I brought this bag. I put Play-Doh in there, some other fun things in there, so we could play together with.
Here's bag number 8, guys.
It's LOL. Yeah, I love LOLs.
I think I bought this one for you for your birthday.
Yeah, Mommy bought this one for me for my birthday on my 5th.
Yeah? I think it was your 5th.
On my 5th birthday, and now I'm 7. Can you believe that? I'm in 2nd grade. Look, it's like there's a little zipper here that you open it, it's surprise, LOLs. That's why they call it surprise LOLs. When the little ball thing, it says surprise LOLs, because when you open it, surprise.
And how do you wear this one? Oh, it's a shoulder bag. You wear it on your shoulder?
Mm-hmm.
And what do you like to wear this one for?
I will wear it when we take pictures.
Okay.
And to any fun place I'll wear it. Here's the inside. It's the color of the outside and of the bottom. So yeah, that's bag number 8. This one is a very new. I love this one. I got this.
It was from Target. I don't know.
Target.
I don't know what we got it for you for, but we bought it from Target.
Yeah, we got it from Target as a little thing.
And who's on the front here? Who are these people?
Jasmine, like my baby cousin. Rapunzel, my favorite, and Belle that looks like me. And this is the inside. It came with the stuffed animal, put food in it. Yeah, we lost everything. So boom.
Here's bag number 10.
Yeah, I like this one. It's soft.
What is that shape?
It's a shape as an apple, as you could clearly see.
All right.
They're both soft.
Well, this one is more like a corduroy material.
Yeah.
This one is more velvet. This one goes crossbody. What about this one?
Crossbody.
Oh, nice. Very nice.
And if we were rather to go out on like out on dinner, then I would use this one. Not that much crazy. I don't really need to bring that much to if we were to go to breakfast, dinner, lunch. We want to use that much things.
Where do you like to go for those things? Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Where do you like to go?
First, for breakfast, I like to go to Hatch.
Oh, Hatch. I love Hatch. We should have
Second,
went to Hatch yesterday.
I know. Second, which is lunch, I like to go to Burger King.
Yeah, you do love Burger King. And what about dinner?
Dinner, I like Cheesecake Factory.
Yeah, you do love Cheesecake Factory.
This
Such
is
a good one.
bag. I love it.
Look how reflective that is.
So shiny.
Do you remember where you got this one from?
Well, I don't think Yep, I have something in there. Heart glasses. And it looks like from the heart bag. And I know we keep talking about the heart bag, heart bag, heart bag. But I just like that bag. Me and Leo play Danny go freeze dance like almost every day. And there's two ice castle, and the song that we're love is la 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 candy cane, candy cane, candy cane crush. Yeah.
Where did you get this one from?
I forgot.
I think your Nina bought you this one for your birthday, maybe.
Yeah.
Last year. Can you put this on and see how, so they can see like how you wear it? Another shoulder bag. Very nice.
I love shoulder
This has like the little scrunchy handle, kind of like those Louis Vuitton Capucines had for that like one season. Or maybe they still do, I don't know. But this is very cute. This is one of my favorite bags that you have. You know that? You knew that already? Yeah, I think it's really cute. I think it goes with a lot of your clothes. I don't have a bum bag, but Alana has. Well, she actually has two, but the other one she couldn't find. So I'll put a picture of, or a video. I think I have a video of the one that she has that has an A on it. She got that one for her birthday last year also, but she can't find it.
No, for this year.
I thought that was last year.
No, that one was last year.
Oh,
It's
sorry.
this year. It's so cute, and I like it because it's so fluffy. Leo, I want to kiss him.
So it's very fluffy and rainbow, and
You could use it even as a pillow.
you could. You definitely could. Did you show the inside?
Yep.
Is there there's something in there, I think. In the pocket.
It's alright.
What is it?
I don't know.
Why are you being so sketchy about it?
I don't know.
It's nothing. There's nothing sketchy about that.
It's just this. I like to do it like this easier
Yeah, how do you
way.
like to wear a bum bag?
Like this. It's an easier way. You don't have to like unstrap it and put it around your waist.
Leo?
That's more harder. So I would rather use that one. Bag 13. Bag 13.
Why are you getting so close? Yeah, but it's better if you sit back because then they see you more of you. What do you like about this one?
I like it. It's because all you could do is hold it like this.
So it's a hand carry, and there's like a little bow on here. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's so cute. I use it like kind of a lot. I don't really use my bags.
So do you remember where you got this from?
The zoo.
It was from the zoo, a different trip to the zoo. And why did you pick this one out?
I think that it was my favorite animal, flamingo, and it was just beautiful. I like it.
But flamingo's not your favorite animal anymore.
It is still, but I really love pandas.
Good choices, good choices. We're on to the last bag. The last one.
Which is bag 14.
Tell us about this.
This is bag 14, and I like it because it's so glittery.
There's something about this one that makes it a special crossbody, and that is that it is adjustable. So you have a little buckle where you could adjust it if you need it longer or shorter, right? That's cool.
Yep.
And this is also removable. Look at that. So you can use this as a little clutch if you wanted to.
Yeah.
More versatility than a lot of the bags I have.
You
There
could just use it as a little pouch. I love my collection. When I start making my collection, I started making it because I was like so jealous because mommy had a bag shoe collection, and I was like, I need a bag collection too. So if you have any questions, like and subscribe to Kitty Danger.
But that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post every single day over there. And that's all I have to say. So see you guys in my next video.
Wednesdays through Friday.
Wednesdays through Friday what?
That's it.
I upload on Wednesdays and Sundays, not Friday.
Wednesdays and Sundays,
And
which is
what is-
Wednesday,
what is
Thursday,
today?
Friday.
No. Only on Wednesday and on Sunday. 2 days. I'm sorry, you need more than that? That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!
Bye. Enjoy. And
Oh, my
if you
hair is
don't
stuck
know
here.
if she's the best mommy, she's the best mommy. Leo, get out of here.